It's been labelled the holy grail of immunology, a flu vaccine providing lifetime protection for all strains of seasonal flu. That dream has moved one step closer, with human trials of an Australian vaccine about to get underway. If successful, it'll protect people not just from the regular seasonal flu, but from all other strains, including the deadly bird flu.
Scientists at the Australian National University have been working for more than 20 years on a universal flu vaccine which could protect billions from deadly influenza strains.
It's one of the holy grails of immunology to find a vaccine that gives this broad spectrum protection.
It's taken a while, but they've now come up with a successful vaccine.
There was a great political kind of pressure to develop something, so I tried it on influenza and it worked.
Initial tests on mice have produced encouraging results, but it's early days and so far the vaccine hasn't been tested on humans. That will now happen in Indonesia.
We decided that Indonesia, being our closest one of the closest countries, a very large population, which would be devastated by a new pandemic influenza if it were to occur and be very serious.
It's different to normal vaccines. This vaccine is irradiated with gamma rays, so the virus remains live but doesn't cause any symptoms. It would replace the seasonal flu jab with only 2 doses needed in a person's lifetime.
You wouldn't even have an injection. You have it intranasal. You just sniff it.
That will provide broad spectrum protection against any as yet unknown influenza virus that might emerge. That's the plan.
Australian flu experts are cautiously optimistic.
It's at least several years away, but it's progress that we want to see, and it's very exciting to see it happening in Australia.
With international travel unlikely to fall in the long term, new weapons against possible pandemics can't come fast enough. Sophie Scott, ABC News.